Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. With me as always is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. If you're interested in participating, check out the description below. So today I'm giving a special shout out to Lisa's Always Cooking. I'll put the link and the name. It's actually Lisa's Always _S Cooking. So check her out. She's got an awesome channel, awesome recipes. She's got 2 great kids. I think she's a Midwest gal. And she's got a lot of fun and easy recipes. So check out Lisa's Always Cooking. Alright, so coming up next we have Appies with Chappy by the lake. This is an interesting one. It was filmed right around the time where the BC wildfires were raging. So I got the lake in the background, only you can't see the lake. It's just white smoke. We were basically waiting to see if we were going to get evacuated, so I decided to shoot a quick Appies with Chappy by the lake as you do. So again, check out Lisa's Always Cooking, and here's Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I have some lovely cantaloupe with prosciutto. Prosciutto is a cured ham from Parma, Italy. It's a perfect combination of salty and sweet. I will eat them together. So with Appies with Chappy by the lake, we need a beverage. Today I'm going to make a Mangosteen Margarita. So I got my cocktail shaker. Gonna put in a little ice, and we have some tequila, a little bit of Cointreau. It's like an orange liqueur used in a lot of margarita recipes, and then I have a little bit of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then to make it a Mangosteen Margarita, I have mangosteen nectar. I had a mangosteen in Vietnam once. It's just a delicious white fleshed fruit. All right, we'll give it a shake. Now I don't have a mangosteen for a garnish, but that would make a lovely garnish. And that's my Mangosteen Margarita to go with my prosciutto ham and cantaloupe. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Coming up next, Mookie's gonna get into some trouble. So coming up next, we have Mookie on location. She's in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. And she's got best tropical destination story. So take it away, Mookie.
Thank you, Chappy. This is Mookie Betts on location. I'm in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands, just on Emerald Bay. Now, I was going up and down the beach trying to collect best tropical destination stories when I stumbled onto a crime scene. Appears there's a dead body washed up on the beach. Now, the local authorities, St. Thomas CSI, has not arrived yet. I assume they'll be cordoning off the area. It might be difficult to get a chalk outline around the body as it's covered mostly in sand.
Well, Mookie, do you think you could describe the body? Is it male, female, young, old?
Well, I don't really know the sex or age of the victim, but the victim appears to be a seagull. I believe there's some foul play involved. No pun intended, Chappy.
Well, Mookie, I think you just stumbled on a dead seagull on the beach. It's not really a crime scene.
Oh my god, Chappy, the body has just vanished into thin air. I don't know if it's just washed out in the ocean or the mafia came along and scooped it up.
Wait, what? Mookie, did you just eat that seagull?
What you talking about, Willis? Don't be ridiculous. This is Mookie Betts, signing off. Send your best tropical destination stories to Chappy's Tiki Bar at yahoo.com. Back to you, Chappy.
Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. All right, thanks for everybody that's participating in the challenge, and we'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.